What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining in today. Today we're going to be kayak fishing our first tournament of the year on Lake Hamilton. It's supposed to be a little rainy today, about in the 50s. The water's down quite a bit actually, and it's our first tournament of the year. We're going to see if we can catch some fish. Hopefully we can. Going against, I think, 20 or so people, I think is the last I've seen. But yeah, we're on Lake Hamilton. We pre-fished here last weekend. Did all right. A lot of boat tournaments going on lately as the water's been really pressured. But yeah, they've been saying they've been catching the fish, and so we'll see when we get out there. Yeah, hopefully we'll catch some fish. I've been seeing most of the fish in about 12 foot of water and a little bit shallower than that. So 12 and down. Just so kind of different because the water's so low right now. Let's try that fish ball. We got a fish around a limb. No, he got off. Dang it. Oh boy. That was a good fish. Oh man. That was a good fish. Those hurt when you miss them. Just got wrapped around he got on there and started pulling, so he got wrapped around a limb or a stump that was in the water. Oh, those just hurt, and he felt really good. Just gotta bounce back from him. We got our first bite, so that's good. Just fishing about 5 foot of water. That's a fish right there. Yeah. Swallowed it. Still 2 fish caught. Sitting in second place actually. 37.25 inches. And first place, he's 70, right at 70. He's got him a limit. Hopefully we can run across 3 more fish and get a limit. That would be good. Most of the fish have just been in like 4, 5, 3 foot of water, and it all came around stumps. And I've just been staying in this stained, muddy, dirty water, staying out of the clear. back in these pockets. That's just what's been working. This looks pretty good back here. Hopefully we can make it work. All right, so that was our 5th fish. That puts us in first place, 79 inches even. So yeah, let's see if we can upgrade some fish. Rain's coming down again. It's not supposed to rain all day, but just scattered. Yeah, we're currently in first place. See if we can hold on to this. And yeah, just upgrade those. I think we got a 13 and a 14 to upgrade. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off. That's a good one. Yes. Yes. This is what we're talking about. This is the spot right here. It seems like they're biting better in the rain too. I'm telling you, they must just be getting ready to move shallow or something. Nice fish. Get him measured. He's 1825. Let's take a picture of him. All right, that fish was, I think I got it on camera, was 1825. And yeah, we're still in first place. That gave us a 14 something inch lead. So just gotta keep on this spot right here. It's just literally 2.5 to 3 foot of water is what these fish have been coming out of. I can't catch them deep. I cannot. I tried deep this morning and it just didn't work. I go over there along the bluff walls and stuff, steep banks. I couldn't get a bite. And I've seen some fish, but they just didn't want nothing. Just this area that's right here that's just super shallow. It's good fish too. Got that good stain to it. Let's see if we can keep this up. So far I've caught most of the fish on the thunder cricket, and one has came from a like a chili crawl lipless crankbait. I guess they're maybe just getting ready to spawn or just looking around, because I really wasn't expecting to fish in 3 foot of water until I caught that one earlier and missed. So that's just what I've been sticking with. Just this whole area. It's crazy. is a, let's see, 16, 15. Get this fish uploaded and replace one of our 14s.